If you've been seeing ads for the AirZuma portable AC everywhere, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth buying. After looking into its features and how it really works, here's my honest opinion. First, it's important to know that AirZuma isn't a traditional air conditioner. It's a portable evaporative air cooler designed to cool the area around you, not an entire room. That means if you're expecting it to replace your window AC, you'll probably be disappointed. That said, if you want something lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to carry between your desk, bedroom, or office, it does have some advantages. It uses very little electricity, runs quietly, and doesn't require any installation. The biggest downside is that its performance depends on your climate. If you live in a hot, dry area, you'll likely notice a cooling effect. But in humid environments, the difference can be much less noticeable because evaporative coolers are naturally less effective there. So, is AirZuma worth it? I'd say yes, but only if you understand what you're buying. It's a personal air cooler, not a full-sized AC. Keep your expectations realistic, and it could be a useful way to stay comfortable while using less energy.